with the Community Word Project, and this is Mr. Bird. And let's start with a nice calming warm-up today. If you would like a more action-packed warm-up, check out Moira's Lesson 3 or Lesson 4. But today, I thought it would be nice to start with some breathing. I don't know about you, but when I get stressed, sometimes I forget to breathe. What you need to do first is find just a nice, quiet corner where you can sit and be alone. If it's noisy, you might want to invite other people to join you. Place your palms on your knees, face up. Take a deep breath in and out. In and out. Let your gaze soften and blur. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and out. Let's try to do this using the singing bowl. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Oh, it's working. Layla's calm already. Okay. This is my dog Layla, and of course you can hear Mr. Bird, but you can't see him. Oh, there we go. Mr. Bird is going to participate. Hopefully not get eaten by Layla. Nope, everything's good. This is a Tibetan Singing Bowl. As far as I can tell, they're not actually from Tibet, but they come from Japan. Tibetan singing bowls are used in meditation, and you can strike it with this mallet like this. When you hear the sound of the Tibetan Singing Bowl, what I'd like you to do is feel the sound with your hands. So as the sound gets louder, see if you can move your hands further apart to hold that sound. And as the sound gets quieter, I want you to squeeze the sound, and just as it ends, bring your palms together. All right, let's try it using the singing bowl. Hands shoulder width apart, and listen for the sound. Beautiful. Let's try it again. See if you can find the moment just listening with your ears when the sound completely disappears. Mr. Bird, are you relaxed? Did it work for you? Maybe not. Well, Layla looks very relaxed. The Tibetan Singing Bowl definitely worked for Layla. I hope you feel relaxed too.